We start with Sefer Chofetz Chaim. Okay, in today's topic, I think it's new. Yeah, the big topic is new, laws of Tehillim. So Tehillim is for constructive purpose. So it says today's topic, constructive speech in conclusion. Having discussed the laws of constructive speech regarding both Lashon Hara and Halachos, it becomes obvious that there are no shortcuts in deciding whether or not to speak up for a constructive purpose. Silence, when in doubt, may be true of non-constructive situations. But when someone else's life or quality of life hangs in balance, one may be required to become involved. So as we spoke before many times, in some situations when, as Chofetz Chaim says, somebody's life or quality of life hangs in balance, so you have to speak up. Like somebody is looking for shidduch, and you know this negative information, of course negative, about that person. So you cannot say, no, it's Lashon Hara, derogatory speech, I'm going to keep quiet. Absolutely not. You have to step up and speak. One must be well versed in a proper application of the 7 conditions for a constructive speech listed in day 50. So it's some time ago. At least be in a contact with authority who is well versed in these matters. So I mean, we're not going to repeat what we said until now, but 7 conditions. So one of them, the first one, of course, you must confirm that whatever the information that you about to convey is true. Okay, stop here.